Cortisol is a hormone that our brain creates in moments of elevated stress as a response to trauma, elevated toxic levels of stress. And cortisol eats away at the neural connections in our brain as it sort of prepares the body and the brain itself for flight, fight, or freeze responses to perceived stressors. In a classroom setting, high and sustained levels of cortisol are extremely dangerous to learners, especially for students who live with elevated toxic levels of cortisol in their brains, who've experienced copious, adversity. BDNF, on the other hand, can be thought of as Miracle-Gro for the brain, which was popularized, this phrase was popularized by Dr. John Rady, if I recall, Susie, in the mid 2000s or so.
Right.
And not only does BDNF strengthen pre-existing neural connections, but it also supports the growth of new connections and networks in the brain, making it a direct buffer or counter to the damaging effects of cortisol. But what's so exciting about BDNF in the context of movement-based learning, in the context of what you and I do at the individual level, is that when we engage in vigorous physical exercise, that aerobic exercise, our brain creates a surplus of BDNF. That means the more our students are physically active and get their heart rates up, the more BDNF their brains produce, and the stronger their neural networks are capable of becoming, more resilient to the effects of cortisol. That's especially significant for our students with high stress levels or students who faced adversity.